Portable workbenches are going to be your new best buddy if you enjoy doing do-it-yourself projects but detest struggling with unsteady tables or small workplaces. Without taking up space in your garage, these fold-and-go workstations provide you with the stability, clamping power, and workspace you require. The ideal portable workbench may drastically alter how easy and pleasurable your operations feel, whether you're doing modest repairs, carpentry, or traveling between job sites. The top portable workbenches that combine durability, clever features, and ease of use are broken down in this list. Now let's get started working our way to the top choice from number 7. Remember to subscribe to Legit Pick in order to receive updates with additional useful tutorials and frank tool analysis. Number 7. Worx Pegasus 2-in-1. One of those things that quickly helps your chores feel more manageable and organized is the Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table. Its clever 2-in-1 design, which allows you to quickly transition between a robust workstation and a solid sawhorse, is what truly makes it stand out. It easily adapts to your needs, whether you're sanding a tabletop, cutting lumber, or fixing a bike. Additionally, setup is simple. When you need it, it folds up swiftly, and when you're done, it collapses just as quickly. Because of its molded ABS plastic body, which is supported by steel fittings, it seems surprisingly sturdy despite being lightweight and portable. It can support a substantial amount of weight, up to 300 pounds as a workbench, and an enormous 1,000 pounds in sawhorse mode, despite being light enough to fit under your arm. The surface area is another fantastic feature. You have plenty of area for painting, staining, small projects, and repairs, with a 31 by 25 inch surface and a comfortable height. The integrated clamping system is also very beneficial. It has 4 clamp dogs and 2 24-inch quick clamps, which make it simple to fasten both regular and irregular shaped components. No tool is flawless, of course. Although it is durable, some users may prefer a broader workspace for larger jobs, and the plastic construction can flex slightly under really hard tasks. Overall, though, the Pegasus hits a fantastic balance between strength, portability, and versatility, making it a dependable partner for both amateurs and do-it-yourselfers. Number 6. Turboforce. Because it is designed for maximum convenience, the Turboforce Express folding work table is the type of workbench that instantly makes any project feel easier. Its incredibly quick setup, it opens or folds in less than 3 seconds, is one of its outstanding qualities. That means all you need to do is flip, lock, and get to work without having to struggle with parts or intricate methods. It is ideal for garages, job sites, and even outdoor jobs because it folds up quickly and weighs little over 20 pounds. It's remarkably powerful for its portability. It can support up to 1,650 pounds, which is more than plenty for large tools, bulky materials, or demanding do-it-yourself projects. The metal legs give it the stability you'd expect from a real workbench. Additionally, it is made to be versatile. Bench dog holes, X-shaped grooves, and quick measurement indications on the workbench make clamping, aligning, and measuring materials much easier and more precise. It has some trade-offs, just like any other tool. For large woodworking jobs, it could feel a little narrow despite its lightweight construction making it portable. Additionally, the tabletop area is smaller than some full-size workstations since it prioritizes speed and mobility. However, the total combination of strength, mobility, and clever clamping options make it an effective tool for experts and do-it-yourselfers who want something dependable, quick, and portable. Number 5. ZYLOQUEX. One of those devices that quickly improves the flexibility and efficiency of your workspace is the ZYLOQUEX foldable workbench. The fast fold-and-go design is its greatest asset. It is incredibly easy to store, even in a packed garage, because it is just a few inches thick when folded and can be opened or collapsed in a matter of seconds. Another great feature is the integrated carrying handle, which makes it easy to grasp and move. This workbench's adaptable clamping system is what makes it so practical. The tabletop's X-shaped grooves, measurement indications, and multi-purpose holes make it considerably easier to measure and secure goods. Everything remains steady and aligned whether you're cutting, sanding, or assembling. Even though it weighs only 23 pounds, its 4 metal legs give it a solid feel, and it can support heavy tasks up to 1,000 pounds. The tabletop is made of a tough, waterproof material that is both durable and easy to clean, great for both indoor and outdoor use. Of course, it's not perfect. Although its small size makes it incredibly portable, the surface may feel a little tight for very large projects. And although the plastic top is durable, some might prefer a more conventional wooden surface for certain types of work. Nevertheless, its quick setup and its clever design make it a reliable option for garages, workshops, and everyday home projects. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER. One of those timeless portable workbenches that continues to live up to its reputation due to its dependability and practicality is the BLACK+DECKER Workmate WM425-A. It is highly versatile for woodworking, do-it-yourself crafts, and even minor automotive jobs because it is designed as a folding work table and vise in one. It feels solid because of its heavy-gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo surface. It can support up to 550 pounds, which is more than enough for the majority of household jobs. The changeable clamping system is one noteworthy feature. The 4 swivel pegs make it simple to attach unusual forms, the jaws open wide, and taller parts can be clamped vertically. The Workmate swiftly adjusts whether you're handling pipes, logs, or oddly shaped items. Additionally, the surface is spacious, and you can use the additional block to turn it into a full vise if you need a more precise and powerful grip. The speed at which it sets up is another benefit. It is ideal for small workshops or anyone who wants to reorganize their workspace because it folds open in a matter of seconds and collapses just as quickly when you're done. It has trade-offs, of course. It is more difficult to carry around because it weighs around 19 kilograms, which is more than many contemporary portable workbenches. Although the folding mechanism is sturdy, new users might need some time to get used to it. However, after you get used to it, the clamping force and stability more than offset the additional weight. All things considered, it's a reliable, feature-rich workbench that works well for both novice and experienced do-it-yourselfers. Number 3, Keter. One of those workbenches that makes organizing a workspace quite simple is the Keter Folding work table. Whether you're working on a larger job in the garage, a woodworking project, or a simple do-it-yourself mend, you can start working right away because it's made to pop open in approximately 30 seconds with no installation. It is sturdy enough for heavier tools and tough work, and its big surface feels useful and airy. It can support up to 1,000 pounds. It includes 12-inch clamps, which can be positioned either vertically or horizontally, and are one of its best features. This allows you a great deal of versatility when fastening wood, pipes, or materials with odd shapes. This allows you a great deal of freedom when fastening pipes, wood, or materials with unusual shapes. Because everything remains steady and aligned, it's especially useful while cutting, sanding, or using a miter saw. Convenience is another consideration in the design. The table can be opened or collapsed in seconds thanks to its seamless folding mechanism. It takes up very little room when folded, which is ideal if your garage or workshop is already small. Its heavy-duty resin construction and weather-resistant polypropylene, supported by aluminum legs, make it extremely durable even though it is composed of plastic. It is durable both indoors and outdoors because it won't rust, distort, or dent. Naturally, there are several factors to consider. Although the plastic top is sturdy and weatherproof, it might not feel as stiff as a solid wood surface for some intricate tasks. And at 27 pounds, it's not the lightest portable bench available. Nevertheless, its strength, usability, and clever design make it a dependable option for professionals and do-it-yourselfers looking for a portable workstation. Number 2, DEWALT DWST 11556. One of the devices that instantly improves the efficiency of your workflow is the DEWALT DWST 11556 Express Folding Workbench. The most popular feature is how quickly it sets up. This bench opens and folds in less than 3 seconds, allowing you to work on it practically immediately after storing it. When you're going between rooms, projects, or job sites where every minute matters, it's very helpful. It is quite sturdy even though it is lightweight and portable. It can support up to 1,000 pounds because of its sturdy, grounded metal legs. This indicates that it is strong enough to handle timber, larger tools, and a variety of difficult do-it-yourself projects. Another benefit is the spacious work surface, which provides ample space for cutting, clamping, measuring, and assembly without feeling confined. When it comes to clamping, the Workbench works with the majority of trigger clamps, making it simple and quick to secure items. Even a built-in opening handle that serves as a tool hanger is included. It's a minor touch, but it keeps necessities close at hand and keeps your setup organized. The entire bench folds flat when finished, making it simple to tuck into a tiny nook or slide behind a shelf. There are certain trade-offs, of course. The comparatively thin folded profile may feel a little wide for long-distance transportation, despite the excellent portability. Additionally, even if the surface is robust, some users might want more integrated clamping options or other accessories. Nevertheless, this DEWALT Workbench is a dependable and useful partner for both home and business tasks due to its speed, robustness, and ease. Number 1, Performance Tool. For anyone looking for a lightweight portable workstation for fast do-it-yourself do-it-yourself projects, the Performance Tool W54025 Portable Workbench is a straightforward, practical choice. The folding design is one of its main benefits. When not in use, it may be easily tucked away or carried from one location to another thanks to its compact packing. It's ideal for small garages, apartments, or jobs where you don't want heavy equipment because of its lightweight construction, which makes mobility even easier. The tabletop is also surprisingly useful. It is printed with a grid, ruler, and even a protractor, which makes marking angles, lining up cuts, and measuring much easier. The one-handed clamp method is another helpful feature. The jaws maintain a solid hold because they can be separately adjusted and are made to withstand warping. Additionally, they can hold odd-shaped items by angling outward, which is useful when working with pipes or uneven materials. This bench is certainly designed for lightweight applications despite its versatility. It isn't designed for heavy-duty jobs or large tools, and its working load is only 200 pounds. The surface and frame seem better suited for modest woodworking tasks, simple fixes, or hobbyists than for large-scale construction projects. Additionally, some users might think that the surface space is a little too small for larger boards or tools. Nevertheless, this workbench provides a handy little workstation that's ideal for regular do-it-yourselfers who need something practical, small, and portable due to its portability, simple setup, and clever features like integrated measurement guides and adjustable clamps. Whether you're fixing, creating, or making while on the go, selecting the ideal portable workbench can drastically change how you approach jobs. You can work anywhere with confidence thanks to the unique combination of strength, clever features, and portability that each of these workbenches offers. Therefore, now is the ideal moment to choose the DIY setup that best suits your workflow and style if you're ready to improve it or make your workstation more productive. Please remember to hit the notification bell, like and subscribe if you like this breakdown and would like to see more frank, useful gear reviews. Become a member of the Legit Pick family to ensure that you always have access to tools that facilitate, expedite, and enhance your business.